Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical for the first time in 2019. Thank you for stopping by. Allow me to wish you a wonderful 2019 and that everything you set out to do you achieve, and you achieve it with a facility that you never expected. On that note, this is the Happy New Year message that Donald Trump posted on New Year's Eve, I think it was. It's typically Trumpian. Currency markets, these prices were at the opening. The euro was at 114.47. Last time I looked at it, popped up to 114.90. Dollar index was at 96.18. It's surely slipped to 96. The yen, which has been on a multi-session winning streak, last I looked was around 109.20. Swiss franc 0.9835. The pound 127.32. The Aussie got as low as 0.7010, or if not lower, but it's now rebounded. India rupee 69.655, South Korean won 1120.355, Brazilian real 388.16, Egyptian pound 17.943, and the rand 14.3925. The Financial Times was reporting that Mr. Juncker is telling the UK to get its act together on Brexit. As I said, the UK remains a political conundrum. The recalcitrant Jeremy Corbyn refuses to pivot on Brexit and surge into 10 Downing Street on a youthquake wave. Prime Minister Theresa May, who came to Africa and danced in 2018, is still there, like Geoffrey Boycott, and that of itself is an achievement. The pound is not priced in a hard Brexit, nor has the euro. Peter Brandt, who I follow on the chart side, says the price action in cable could qualify as an end around, implying an advance back to 138. Dollar index chart, I'm still bullish about the dollar index, looking for 100, 105, 110, but we're currently in a corrective phase. Euro dollar just shy of 115 on today's rebound. This is a 3-month chart. Australian dollar tested, broke key support, set a new low before recovering, but let's see if it can build on that recovery. Weak China, Caixin PMI below 50 for the first time since 2017. Many chartists view Bitcoin as a head and shoulders bottom. I'm not among them. That's Peter Brandt. Higher probabilities that the bear market is not over. That's what I was saying on the 26th of November last year. Armageddon, Cryptogeddon, and Bitcoin. And then Popescu tweeted Bitcoin technical probable target in 2019 is $1,000. And that's exactly what I said on the 26th of November. So as I write this, Bitcoin is trading at 3,650. And I think it's going right back to levels below $1,000. Stream on the Netflix story. Netflix is expected to spend up to $13 billion on content. They've got 130 million paying subscribers, and I think people are talking about 300 million by 2028. I think that could happen by 2020. But they've got into trouble in Saudi Arabia, quite rightly. Gold lost at 1282.24, oil below $45 in New York at $44.95. This is a pivotal commodity for the global economy. Oil, populist leaders and the dollar, guide to EM risks in 2019. That's from Bloomberg Economics. That's where I quoted this from. The theory is dead simple. Emerging markets have already bombed, so the downside, if things get worse, is much lower. And if things recover, they have greater potential to perform, said Anthony Peters. But then he said, however, they have the potential to go much lower for much longer than anybody had ever thought possible. He's put it better than I could put it. Powell wasn't as dovish as people had hoped. ECB is going to end asset purchases. Xi Jinping remains defiant. US trade delegation preparing to travel to Beijing. Brazil and Mexico, new populist presidents. Plenty of upcoming polls. India. Then you've got Argentina, and you've got South Africa, and you've got Nigeria.